We call this first exercise the man maker because it really combines quite a lot. We're taking a squat down to our plank with a push-up and then 2 rows on each side before you come back, giving a deadlift-esque movement and then an overhead press. So there's quite a lot in here. Take your time, practice the movements. The big thing to remember, notice that my back is completely straight. I am supporting my back, everything from the squat to the deadlift to the row, everything really protects the back. Next, we're going to take burpees for 2 minutes. So this exercise is really going to get that heart rate up. Be sure that we're jumping as high as we can when we come off the ground, focusing on control. Don't lose that back and start arching it towards the end as you become tired. You're going to finish with a nice body weight squat, only for 1 minute, pushing the hips down and back. Use the arms in front of you to counterbalance for support.